So it's a little beat up. We've got to clean up the edges and resurface it, but we're going to make it into a wainscot wall in one of the kids' playrooms.
Okay.
So you want to give me a hand?
Sure.
All right. So first thing, I'm just going to cut it to lengths that we can manage. All right. So you notice that the edges of this are pretty beat up. So I think the first thing we'll do is run it through the table saw and get a clean edge on each side.
And you're going to save as much of this width as possible?
Yeah, we'll max it right out.
Great.
All right, now let's run them through the planer.
All right.
So Norm, this stuff is really patinaed over 50 years.
Right.
So I think this is the best way to clean it up.
And it'll flatten the surface a bit if it needs it.
Right.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, that looks a lot better. So next thing we'll do is we're going to set up on a router table here 2 different sized rabbets so that when we put them together, we end up with that nickel gap.
Right, so you have one that's wider than the other one. Pretty simple.
Right? So we'll start with the shallow one first. So now we set up for the deeper rabbet, and all we're going to do is advance this board over the thickness of our nickel gap. So Norm, this is the kids' playroom, and this is the room we chose to do the wainscot treatment. So we've got this set up so that this wall is plywooded up to about 36 inches, so we've got a good substrate to attach to. Right. So I think what we'll do is we'll just run a couple horizontal beads of adhesive here, and then we'll just rely on the pin nails to keep it in temporarily.
Sounds good. A narrow piece. Yeah, it's right on the edge.
All right.
That's great.
So then to finish it, we're going to put a paint grade cap right on top there to conceal that. And this will get painted white. The base will get painted white, and then we're going to whitewash the pine. And then this will be paint.
All right. It's going to look great when it's done, and it's a good use of old material.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.